Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and soybeans trading higher, while wheat ended the day lower. Soybeans caught quite a bid yesterday. Export sales are strong, and then of course some short covering helped the market as well. Moving forward, weather remains pretty positive for crop development. There are some areas that are a little drier, and temperatures are expected to warm up a little, which will help plants move along better, but they also need some rain when the temp gets a little higher, so that's something to keep your eye on moving forward. But main story for the trade right now is the WASDE report. Saw some short covering in corn and beans yesterday, likely due to traders squaring up positions before this WASDE report. So let's take a look at what some of those numbers are expected to be. So we'll grab our whiteboard. All right, I'm going to get in here close. All right, so here we are. So first we're going to go over production estimates, then yield estimates, and then we'll go over 2013, 2014 ending stock estimates. All right, so production estimates for 2013-14 for corn are expected to come in at 13.98 billion bushels. This compares to 13.95 billion bushels from July, so they're expected to increase slightly. Bean production is expected to come in at 3.338 billion bushels. That's compared to 3.42 from July, so it's expected to decrease slightly. Now let's jump over here to yield. Corn yield is expected to come in at 157.7 yield or bushels per acre, and that's up around 1.5 bushels from July. And what I'm going over here is just the average trade estimates. I didn't want to put the range; it's too much to go over. So these are the average trade estimates, and then yield for beans is expected to drop around 1 bushel, come in at 43.5 bushels per acre this month compared to 44.5 bushels per acre last month. And ending stocks for 2013-14 expected to come in at 1.971 billion bushels, and that's up slightly from July. Then ending stocks for beans are expected to come in at 263 million bushels, down slightly from July. And then wheat ending stocks at 573 million compared to 576 in July. So ending stocks in beans and wheat are expected to fall a little and rise slightly in corn. So that covers just a snapshot of what we're expecting for the WASDE report on Monday. If you want to get the full realm on everything covered in the report, the range of estimates, what happened in July, take a look at grainanalyst.com, log in, go to the daily report. We got it all there for you today. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Otherwise, have a great day and a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.